Hello, in front of me I have Realme 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to go through the first setup on this device. First, we need to select the language. To do it, swipe up and down on the screen right here to scroll through the list of the languages, find the one you like and simply tap on it to select it. Like this. We're gonna select English, United States. You can tap down here on emergency call to call the emergency numbers if needed, and you can also tap on the accessibility icon right here, enable the accessibility, and here you have access to some features like font size, triple tap to zoom, and also select to speak. Let's disable it and go back. Now let's tap on next to continue, of course after you select the language. Here we need to select the region, for example United States, then tap next. Now we need to agree to the terms of service. You can check these boxes separately or tap on the box next to I have read and agree to the terms above to select them all and then tap next. Here we can connect to Wi-Fi. You can also skip this step by tapping the skip button right here, but in our case we're gonna connect to one, so let's select one, then tap next. Here you can turn on Wi-Fi assistant by tapping the slider right here, and then you can also enable to auto switch to mobile network if you like to. And once you're done, tap next. Now we can copy apps and data from the Google account. To do it, tap next and follow the instructions on the screen, but in our case we don't want to, so we're gonna tap don't copy. Here we can log in into a Google account. You can also skip this step by tapping skip button right here, but in our case we're gonna log into one, so let's tap right here, enter the account name, then tap next. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. And once you're done entering the password, tap on next to continue. Here tap on I agree. Right here we can turn on and off some of the Google services by tapping the slider next to them, like this. And once you're done, scroll all the way down and tap on the accept button. Now we can select the search engine basically. Let's select Google for example and tap next. Here you can check some options for your Google Assistant if you like to, by tapping the boxes next to the option, then tap next. And you can tap on I agree right here to continue your setup for Google Assistant, but in our case we're gonna tap skip. Here you can add the card to your Google Pay wallet. To do it, tap add a card, but in our case we're gonna skip this step by tapping skip. And right here we can also add another email account and change the wallpaper, but in our case we're gonna tap no thanks. Right here we can set up a screen lock for our phone. To do it, just tap on settings right here, but in our case we're gonna tap later, then tap later to skip this. Here you can enable the auto update overnight feature. You can also tap on home screen icons to change the style of the icons. And once you're done, just tap apply to apply your settings. Then tap next. Now we can import data from another device. To do it, tap import data from old phone, but in our case we're gonna tap later. And then tap get started. At this point the setup is complete, and that's how you go through the first setup on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.